Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to give you a video tutorial of how to use ThingLink. So remember we talked about in class how you're going to pick a style of art and create a ThingLink about a piece of work from that style. So first thing you're going to do is go to thinglink.com. This is the first page that you'll see. You'll go to the corner where it says login. You can either log in if you already have an account or you can sign up for an account. So this is mine right here, and first thing I'm going to do is this is the example that I made, and I'm going to show you we're just going to build off of this. So this is a painting done by Georges Seurat called The Sunday Afternoon on the island of La Grande Jatte, and this is from the Neo-Impressionist movement, and he used pointillism in this piece. So we're just going to build off of this work. So when you get here, when you create a new work, you're going to put create, image, continue, and this is where you upload your photo. So you can upload a file or you can use Google Drive right here. But since mine is already created, I'm just going to edit what I have. Alright, so when you click edit, this is what's going to pop up. So in order to add one of these little tags where it has the information, add tag, and you can pick and choose what kind of tag you want to do. So I'm going to put the general information, and also you can move it just by clicking and dragging. So I'm going to put this up in the corner. I'm going to add text and label, and I am going to put the artist's name. So Georges. I'm going to put that he's the artist. Oh. Okay. There you go. So there's some informations there. Add another one. Alright, let's put the dimensions. So this is 6 feet by 10 inches. Or 6 feet and 10 inches, and then 10 feet, 1 inch, so it's a very large painting. Okay, so you see that one over there, but if I want to move it, I can still move it. Okay. Let's say I want to add another one. Okay. And you can also change the art icon, so if I wanted it to look like any of these, if it's a recording of a voiceover, if I just wanted a little dot, and you can pick the color. So let's do this one. Now this painting took the artist 2 years to create, so gotta make sure I put that in there. Okay, and if I want to put more information in here, what I can do is I can put the title. So this is a Neo-Impressionist, so maybe I'm going to go more into information about the style that it is done in. I can add more information about that. If I have a website I want to link, I could put that in there. If there's a photo I want to add, you can do that. And so it just is a really awesome way to get more information out of it. And so you can continue this. Remember, I am looking for the name of the artist, the name of the art piece, the style that it is done in. So this is the Neo-Impressionist style. Also, you can add in the medium. So this is oil on canvas. So the artist used oil paint. I want the dimensions and the year that it was made. Alright, and so when you're done, push done, and it'll save right here. And you can download it as a, didn't mean to click that. You can download it to your computer in order to turn it in to me. And you can let me know if you have any questions.